Good morning, class 12. Today we will have to study about the function. Today we are going to discuss about function, different type variable, local and global. So for that we will use particular Python command and use of the Python program in a systematical way. How we can make use of the function, I am going to tell some examples with the definition. Clear? So here we have one program of Python here. It shows the value of the local and global function. Local and global functions are a particular subprogram, a part of program which can use a two different type of variables. They are known as local and global. Local means, as the name suggests, a word local means within a function. A local variable work within a function where the variable has declared within a body of function. A global means entire program. Global variable work in entire program. So let's see one example here. We have one variable name I have mentioned here, A is equal to 12. This is a global type variable because before the function declaration it has used, it is called global variable. Then function declared, def this function I have declared here. Then another one variable declared, that is b equal to 5. Then we have used the print command within a function, print inside user defined function, that is A. Okay, and then next is second print local variable B inside user defined function. It will take the first global variable and second variable local, and then we can make use of the another example here. So outside of the this much is a body of function. You can see this is a complete body of the function. Beyond that, if we are using, then local will not work and global will work. So how you can see the global will work? See, we have the another this function. To use this outside of the this function, print outside of the user defined function A is working, that is A. This will work. This will not work. Okay, because this is not a part of particular program, that is a particular function part. So let's see one example. See, what the error came here? B is not defined. If we can apply this function in such manner, then it will work. See, if we will not use this B here, then it will work. You can see now it is working. So this means a variable local and global, they are bound in a particular area. Only local variable is bound, global is not bound. Second example, I'll show you with another example. 2 see, in this example we have mentioned a different name of the variable. This is a is equal to 12, same. Then def this b is equal to 5. Print global a. This is a value 12 will display. Then print local 1, that is b, 5 will display. And when we use disk c is equal to 7 and local c is display, then again global a, that is 12 will display. So let's see another example. See, local 1 12 because global 1 12 because this is a global variable. This will work within a function. This is the first output, this is within a function, and second global output, that is not within a function, that is out of the function. Okay, so we can apply accordingly. Clear everyone? So let's take another example. Open 3. See, one more thing which is very important. If the local variable and the global variable names are same, then the local variable will get preference. The first preference goes to local variable. We can check this answer here. A is equal to 12, same. B is equal to 5. This is a local and global variable both. But after that we have mentioned here another a. A is 1, this is a local variable, and this is a, first one is global variable. A12 is global, A7 is a local. So this both has a different value and different purpose. You may apply in any order, that also work. So this will be as per the part of program. You can check this output. This output will be the local one, okay, that is 5 and 7, and global is again 7. Why? Because whenever you use a global variable, okay, that will work inside and outside of the function. But if the same name variable is available in a local, then that has to take the preference to the local one, because local a is also available here. So then we will get the both values for the local. Clear? Now another example. We have another example with the calculation method. So we will check this output accordingly. Open, and then we have to go according to this particular program. If the local variable and global variable are same, then that goes to take the preference first local variable. So I have mentioned here the different name and the different use of that to interact both of them. And that's why we have declared the two different global variable. One particular use of the function, another out of the functions. Okay. So you can see here one local variable a is equal to 12, second local variable c is equal to 10, def disk function a is equal to 5, print global variable that will display 12 answer. Print local 1 that display 5 answer. Now out of the function, this is another part value in the main program. A is equal to 7. Already one global variable is having 7 value. Okay, global variable having 12 value, that is same name a, but one is here 7. A is equal to 7. So first will display a is equal to 7. Okay, but second one, x is equal to a plus c. A means 7. Now a will not take 12. A will take as a local variable value, that is 7.